Did you know your Samsung devices can protect each other like a digital shield? That's Samsung Knox Matrix. Knox Matrix is Samsung's next gen security platform built on a private blockchain called Trust Chain to secure your Galaxy phones, tablets, televisions, fridges, and many more IoT devices as one unified network. So, what is Samsung's Knox Matrix? At first, trust chain. Devices continuously monitor each other for threats via blockchain. If one device gets hacked, the system isolates it. Then Credential Sync. It securely synchronizes credentials and passkeys between devices encrypted end to end. And obviously, cross platform SDK. It supports Android, Tizen, Windows, and more for consistent protection. So, why the introduction of Samsung Knox Matrix matters? With over 14 billion connected devices globally, one weak link can compromise the whole ecosystem. Knox Matrix turns your smart devices into a smart shield. More devices is equal to stronger security. The One UI 7 dashboard gives a unified view of device security. Green means safe, amber means attention needed. So, who is it for? Knox platform is for tech enthusiasts and smart home users for seamless proactive security across Galaxy ecosystem. It's for professionals and families for centralized dashboard that ensures work, personal and home devices stay safe. And obviously it's for Samsung Galaxy device owners. So Samsung Knox Security Matrix is the future of connected device security with Trust Chain, Credential Sync, and cross-platform support. You will get transparent control, stronger protection, and peace of mind. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into Galaxy Station.